Today, we've got a quick and straightforward guide for you on how to find your Instagram password and username in 2023. Stick around because we'll show you the easiest ways to retrieve this essential information. Find your Instagram username. First things first, let's uncover your Instagram username. This is how the Instagram world identifies you. To find it, simply tap on the bottom right corner icon to access your profile. Head to the top of the screen, and there it is, your username, right in front of you. Find your Instagram password via iPhone settings. Now, let's move on to finding your Instagram password. Keep in mind that this method may not be accessible to everyone, depending on how you use the app and if you've saved your password with services like iCloud Passwords. For iPhone users, go to your iPhone settings, then Passwords, Authenticate, search for Instagram, and there you may find your saved Instagram password if you've used iCloud Keychain and iCloud Passwords. It's worth noting that for security reasons, Instagram doesn't display your saved password by default. But if you've got it saved with iCloud, you're in luck. Find your Instagram username in iPhone settings. And here's a bonus tip. You can also find your saved Instagram username in iPhone settings. Again, go to Settings, Passwords, Authenticate, search for Instagram, and voila, your username is right there. And there you have it, a quick and direct guide on how to find your Instagram password and username in 2023. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Instagramming.